Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to create an influencer website using WordPress. Creating a website for your influencer website can be a crucial step in establishing an online presence and reaching a wider audience. Luckily, WordPress makes it easy to create a website. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating an influencer website using WordPress. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced website builder, this guide will help you create a stunning website that showcases your design skills and attracts potential clients. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up WordPress. First, let's get WordPress set up on your domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can easily purchase one from a domain registrar. Next, you need to set up WordPress on your domain. This can be done through your web hosting provider. We recommend you consider Kinsta Hosting for your influencer website. Kinsta Hosting is the perfect solution for setting up your WordPress website. Kinsta offers lightning fast load times, unparalleled uptime, and expert support 24/7. Their infrastructure is built on Google Cloud Platform, providing you with the power and security you need to run your website smoothly. Additionally, Kinsta's managed hosting solution take care of all the technical details, freeing you up to focus on your content and business. So if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hosting provider, look no further than Kinsta Hosting. To sign up for Kinsta Hosting, please check the description below for the sign up link. Step 2. Installing the Responsive Starter Template plugin. Now that WordPress is set up, let's install the Responsive Starter Template plugin. You can do this by going to the WordPress plugin repository and searching for Responsive Starter Template. Once you have found the plugin, click Install and activate it. Step 3. Importing a starter template. Now that the plugin is installed, let's import a starter template. To import a template, simply go to the Responsive Template section in your WordPress dashboard. Responsive Starter Template has a wide range of pre-designed templates. So take your time and pick one that best fits your needs. Now go to the search bar and search for influencer and select the influencer template. Here you can preview the whole template. Next, click the import button and wait for the template to import. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The plugin will import all the template elements into your WordPress website, including the layout, colors, fonts, and images. Once done, click on the Launch Site button. And here's how you get your influencer website ready in less than 5 minutes. Step 4. Customizing your website.
Once the template has been imported, it's time to start customizing your website. Now, to customize the website, click on Edit with Elementor button at the very top. This will take you to the editing section of the Elementor, where you can change the logo, add your own images, and adjust the color scheme to match the brand. You can also add and edit your own pages and posts to showcase your services. Now, let's say I want to change this heading. And for that, I'll click on this heading. This will open a panel on my left hand side where I can edit the heading, and it's done. Now let's say I want to change this button text contact me. I'll click on this button. This will again open a panel on my left hand side where I can change the text to click here. And I can also provide a link here. Now let's say I want to change this photograph over here. And for that, I'll click on this image. I'll go to choose image. Now this will give me two options, either to upload images from media library or upload files from my local drive. And for now, I'm going ahead with this picture. So I'll click on the picture and click on select, and it's done. Similarly, you can change this heading, you can change this button text, add link to the button text. You can change absolutely everything on this page. And once you are done, click on update button to update the changes you have made so far. And that's it. This is how you can edit your website with just few easy clicks.
With these tools and knowledge, you can create an exceptional website that reflects your unique style. Use your creativity to begin building your ideal website. And don't forget to add your personal touch to make it stand out. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos.